welcome back to my channel. Just a really quick disclaimer. I am just getting over laryngitis, so if my voice sounds a little crackly or I start coughing or I take a sip of my water here, just bear with me. I have to do it because my throat gets real dry and cracky. But I have to keep my throat moist, because if I don't, then I'll start coughing really bad. So just bear with me. It's been a long few days. But what I am here to tell you guys today is I found a ton of Rae Dunn stuff at HomeGoods, and I wanted to share all of that with you guys today. Obviously, because I was kind of home all week last week, and then I got sick and I didn't go anywhere, and I kept seeing like everybody posting all of these like Rae Dunn pictures of, you know, HomeGoods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls that have all of their HomeGoods, or that have all of their like Rae Dunn stuff out, the Christmas stuff, and I'm like, I want to go so bad and see what I can find. So yesterday, first day, I ventured out and I was able to go into HomeGoods and see all of the fun stuff that they had available. So some of the stuff I was like, yeah, I don't want it. But some of the stuff I'm like, oh yeah, I really want it. I've seen a lot of the stuff, like I said, on Instagram, and I know that I need that in my life. I know that I need that in my kitchen. I know that I need that Rae Dunn piece. I'm still looking for the sugar jar, the sugar dispenser, which is in the small one. I want the small sugar one. I haven't been able to find that yet. It's like, I really want that one. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the Rae Dunn stuff that I did find. Alrighty, so first things first, I noticed a lot of these, and these are super cute. These are their numbered, or Rae Dunn's numbered series, which is awesome. I love that they have like the numbers on the bottom of all of their stuff. They had mugs and a couple of bowls, and I think they had some like canisters or whatever. But I really like these because I'm going to be hosting 2 Christmas parties at my house this year, and I know for both of them I'm going to have like a cheese spread, cheese plate, and like crackers and meat and stuff, and I thought this would come in really handy for that. And of course I want to use my Rae Dunn stuff. Super cute. So I'm happy that I found this stuff. I love it. And then the other thing that I found was this Noel like spoon holder. Love this. I love the fact that it says Noel. I love the fact that Noel says it's in red. And I always use spoon rest anyway. This is usually over in where I make my tea, or over where I put my spoons when I'm stirring food at the stove or whatever. But if there was another one there, I probably would have got it. That way I would have had 2, one for both sides of my kitchen, like I said, for tea, and then the other one for when I am cooking dinner. But I love the spoon rest. So I got that. And then I got these 2 cute little plates with the little elves on them. This one says magic on it. This is so cute. Look how cute that one is. And then the other one that I got has another little elf on it, and he's so cute. It just says Mary on there. How cute is that? Love these little plates. These are really cute to put like little snacks and stuff on, or to sit my like those little, to sit these on, you know, when people go to use them. So yeah, I'm gonna use that for those. And then I got 3 mugs. I was really on the prowl for those other mugs that have like the words across the front of them, and I didn't have any luck finding those. So the only ones that I did find were 3 of these, and each one of them says something different. This one says joy on it, and I love the, like, you know, Christmas scene that they have there. So that one says joy. This one says comfort. So pretty. Love these. This one has like a little fireplace on there with garland and some stockings hanging down. So pretty. And then this next one has my favorite, which is Imagine, and it has a snowman on it, because if you guys know, I love me some snowmen. So anyway, these are super cute. Love them. Love everything. Inside of them, or they're all like red. Love it. And then I found this, which I had to get because I just thought this was so pretty. It was so pretty sitting on my counter. This one says, Deck the Paws. And this is just that really tall, like pouring picture. And look, it's got like a little fox on there. That is a fox, right? Or a dog, whatever. A dog and a cat. Oh, it's got a dog and a cat on it. So cute. Love it. And like I said, this is the tall picture. I love it. So cute. Deck the Paws. Even though, like, I don't have any pets, but it's still cute, right? Okay. And then lastly, what I found at Home Goods was this really pretty jar that just says Joy on it. And the Joy is actually in like a silver, like metallic-y. And it kind of like, it's just real pretty. It's not that, it's not like these where they're like embossed inside of there. It's just like a flat surface across the front of it. It just says Joy. That's it. And then it has a lid in here. You could just like, you know, put stuff in here. So I just kind of thought maybe some mints or some candy or something like this sitting maybe in the living room or somewhere would be so pretty. But I love this jar too. And that was it. Those are the only things that I found at Home Goods that was Rae Dunn related. So I think I did pretty good, considering the fact that I'm probably like a week or so behind on everybody else trying to get all of their Rae Dunn stuff. But I think that they had a pretty good, you know, display of things, stuff again that I just didn't want. But I'm really looking for those other mugs too. So, but anyway, I'm happy with these ones. These ones will work. I think they're so cute. They're so pretty. So I'm going to hang them on my little mug rack in the kitchen and start adding my Rae Dunn Christmas collection to that rack. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye!